got some goodies for. I'm about to pop on some goodies, man. And I mean, I just wanted y'all to see me go along with it. Shout out to the crickets in the back. I mean the cicadas, they on my trees right now. But appreciate y'all for hushing up. But yeah, that's the instruction. I have all the tools I'm gonna need. Let's get to it. So YouTube, here it is. I had to use the stock elbow and connectors because I didn't cut a connector hole in here yet. So when I cut the connector hole in here, I'll be using it. But so far so good. Everything is good. No check engine lights.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Look. Yeah. Hey, he left with that bitch. He held that bitch. Hey, that's how you slide.
Yeah, homie. I'm about to slide my shit.
Yeah.
I look back and see that Mustang. I was like, all right, come through. Hold on.
Hey, oh, he gonna come through. He can't. Look, it's on camera.